Hey, what's up everyone? Today we will learn how to transfer a file from an iPhone to a Mac using Airdrop. Everything is much easier than you think. First, you need to select a photo or picture from the gallery of your iPhone. But before that, make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on and both devices are connected to a common Wi-Fi network. When everything is done, select the Share button on the iPhone. Then select Airdrop. Mac should appear on your screen. In my case, it's MacBook Pro. Select it and the transfer will start almost immediately. After a successful transfer, the pictures will appear on your MacBook. You can usually find them in your Downloads folder. That's all. Everything is very simple. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.